Hi guys, babsomotden here. Welcome to the W26 Plus Smart Watch waterproof test. This is a smartwatch that has an IP68 waterproof rating according to its manual. But I don't trust watches of this caliber, so I decided to give this W26 Plus smartwatch a water test. So I have my mobile stopwatch here, water, and the W26 Plus smartwatch itself. Without further ado, let's get down to business. Before we dip it into the water, let's check some of the functions to make sure this watch is actually working fine. It will go in water for 2 minutes and we will see if it is still working or dead. Okay, it is ready to go. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Now in water. The time is running. W26 Plus smartwatch is in the water. Being one of the best Apple Watch clone in 2021, let's see how it fares in water. The time is ticking. I'll skip this place for now so I don't waste your time. 1 minute gone. This experiment is just like an accidental fall in water or while washing your hand, or you dip it in water by mistake. And this baby kid is doing fine. So far so good. Let's touch the water. Wow, still going. Another skip. Okay, time is up. Let's stop it. We are going to give it 3 days before we finally take it out. 3, 2, 1, and it's out. Okay, let's wipe it clean and make sure it is well clean from the front and also to the back. This is okay now, so let's test it if it's still working by checking some of the functions. Let's start with the sport mode. The climbing feature. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's still counting. Alright, that is working. Okay, it is working. Alright, let's check something else. Let's check the wallpaper also. Can we switch the wallpaper? Okay, it is still working. Alright, let's check the blood pressure function. Let me put it on my wrist and check for the reading. Let's see. Okay, good. Also, it is still picking up my heartbeat per minute. That's good. So W26 Plus smartwatch waterproof test is a success. This IP68 waterproof smartwatch actually passed the test, and I will see you in the next video that is showing right on your screen. So please subscribe to our channel so that I can get more tests and similar content like this. Always stay safe. I remain babsomotden. God bless you. Peace. Subscribe now. Subscribe now. Sub. Yeah, subscribe now. Sub.